A friend has a new helper and she asked me to create a video to teach the helper how to steam fish. This is Grandma's simplest steamed fish recipe. You must try it. This is one baby threadfin or ngor. Buy the freshest fish you can find and make sure the fish cavity is cleaned well. Pour 1 tablespoon of shaoxing wine over the fish. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Place ginger shreds from 2 slices of ginger on top of the fish and tomato wedges from half a small tomato. Do not use too much tomato in this recipe, otherwise the sauce will not turn out well. If the tomato is big, we may want to consider using only 1/3 or 1/4. And if you do not have tomatoes at home, just skip the tomato and add another half tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and we are ready to steam. Steam the fish for 10 minutes. We can serve the fish if the fish is cooked after 10 minutes. However, if you still have other dishes to cook and it is not ready to serve yet, just turn off the heat and leave the fish inside the steamer to keep warm until we are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.